What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back here working on this pickleball court expansion, and the guys are just stripping the forms on the wall that we poured yesterday. I stopped and picked up some wire mesh, some expansion joint, and I also got this concrete chainsaw that we rented because we have to cut that end of the wall down over there. I talked about that in the last video. This one we formed out so it's a little bit shorter, so we don't have to do that. But I'm gonna get this stuff unloaded, and then we're gonna start prepping for the slab. Nice little love tap there. Come on. Might have been a little too much. It's only half of it. All right, we got all of the rest of this item 4 out of this truck here. I am hopping in and I'm going to get some 3/4 from the quarry, and we're going to use that to backfill the whole outside here. All right, I just got back here. I got a little bit over 4 ton of washed 3/4 that we are using to backfill here. We have a drain and some filter fabric lined in here. So I'm gonna set this up real quick and hopefully we can get this all done. Rodrigo and Javier just pulled out of here. They have, well, Rodrigo has court. He got a ticket, so he had to leave early, but we're gonna get this done.
Let's go.
All right guys, we got all of the washed 3/4 in. We got filter fabric all on top of this drain pipe here. The drain goes out on both sides of the retaining wall here. We do have to dig 2 little trenches just to bury the drain and get it kicked out under the fence here, but we got pretty much everything. You can see the piece of pipe here that's going to go out under there, but we got pretty much everything done today that we needed to. Tomorrow we will be here. We have to backfill the outside. I think we're going to get some fresh topsoil and fill the rest in with that. And then in here we have some rebar, which I believe, yep, the holes are already drilled. We got a hole here, there's a couple all the way across, and then we have this roll of wire mesh that we need to get in here. And then on Monday this slab is getting poured. So that is pretty much it for this one. I think the next video on this will be probably the slab. So that's gonna wrap it up for today. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.